given that m log to the base of 3 power 2 is equal to 10 log to the base of 9 power 6, find the value of m. So this m that we can see here, we want to look for the value of m based on this expression. First, let's try to see how, if we rewrite this expression here, which is m log to the base of 3 power 2 is equal to 10 log 9 to the power 6. If we look at this expression, what we are going to see is the fact that these two sides have the least, which is here in the power of 2. This one is a higher power, so we must make one of the sides to resemble the other one on one side. In other words, we need to express this side to have similar power, that is similar base with this one that is on the left hand side. We have to make sure that we try to make the base of this side to be equal to be similar to this one. In other words, we can still have log to the base of 3, which is on one side here. So we are going to have m log to the base of 3 power 2 is equal to, we have 10, and when we have it like this, we must express it in the form of division to separate it to make it in the form of a base. Therefore, this one that is here, we are going to give it a particular base, which is 3, to make it look like this on one side, which is on the left, and we have now these two to be on its own. In other words, we must force it to look the base of 3 like this so that they look almost equal. So we are going to say this is 10 here. We are going to have log to the base of 3. We must put it to be like this base. Then we have 6 here divided by, we have another log to the base of 3. Then now it is 9. There is a formula that states this. Whenever we have two sides like this, where one of the sides have a simplest base and the other look a little bit complicated and bigger, we must express it in the form of a division to see how we can separate and make sure that the base on one side must have this as this one, which is base of 3. We must put base 3 and base 3. Then these two that are here, we try to replace it here, 6 and 9. Now we have this here. What we want to do is to see how we want to simplify this. To simplify, we can still say that m log to the base of 3 power 2 is equal to 10. Then we have log base of 3, 6, as you can see here. Then we have log 3. This 9 that is here can still be same like 3 to the power 2, which is still 9. So that log of 3 and 3 will give us 1. If we carry this 2 here, it's going to be 2 log of 3 and 3. So this will be the same as m log to the base of 3, 2 will be equal to 10 log 3, 6. This 2 will come here. Is going to be 2 log of 3, 3. The log of 3 and 3 is the same like 1. So 2 times 1 is going to give us 2. So we have m log to the base of 3, 2 is equal to 10 log 3, 6 divided by 2. Because log of 3, 3 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. So we have this now. And now we have this expression. Now, if we look here, 10 divided by 2 is going to give us 5. So we have 5 log of 3, 6. So it's going to be the same as m log of 3, 2 is equal to 10 divided by 2 is 5 times log of 3, 6. So we now have this. To get m, we must divide this side with log of 3, 2. So to make m to stand alone on one side, we are going to say that m will be equal to, we have 5 log of 3, 6, divided by, so we have 3 here, divided by log of 3, 2. So we have this now. And now from this expression that we have here, we have a formula that states that whenever we have expression of this sort, the formula states that, let's say, from the formula log to the base of c and log to the base of c, that is same base but different power, like power a and power b, it's still going to be the same as log of just a and b, while we omit the power. That is log this base that are here, we don't care about the base, but now we just look at the log itself and just replace with the power ba. So this is the formula here. If we apply this formula, what we are going to have from this expression, we are going to have m will be equal to 5 log, so we just omit these bases, then we have 2 and 3. So the a here, which represent the 2, so we have 2 here, and the b here is going to represent the 6, so we have 6 here. So this is going to be the value of m. M is equal to 5 log to the base of 2 power 6. So this is the expression here. And if you want to get more of such log expression and solving of logs like this and many sorts kind and the tips, then you want to make sure to go ahead to follow, like and subscribe, so that anytime we post a new video, you'll get notification to watch what we have for you. See you in the next upload, and bye-bye for now.